Yeah, where I live we have a neighbor with a barking dog, and it's really noisy, as you can see, even in the night. 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock.
2 Uhr nachts und die...
I usually wake up in the night and the dogs are barking for minutes.
2 a.m. in the morning.
2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4:30 a.m. So it was really not possible to sleep without hearing protection, and I decided instead of this I changed the window. So we took out the old window, which was a very simple construction, as you can see, and not really good to protect from the noise. Yeah, and then I decided to put in glass blocks, 18 glass blocks. This is still enough light to go in, a lot of cement. I decided I pay the materials and the work myself, because my landlord already had installed a water tank with pump and everything for me, and did some other changes in the house that I requested. They are really nice people, and nearly, yeah, I would say also our friends. So that's why I said 18 glass blocks, 93 peso each, a little bit of cement and sand, and then the pay for the workers ended up around 5,000 peso. But to sleep better at night, I'm willing to pay this. Of course it's dirty, but in the end it's much better, as you will see. Yeah, it looked closed and nice when it was fresh, but the next morning when the cement was dried and settled, I noticed, yeah, of course I can see through because the outside hasn't been fixed. So we will do this the next days, of course, but it was already worth the effort, as you can see. That was it before, 52 decibel, and now after, down to 42, you barely hear it. So it was a worthy investment.